Hi, today we are going to see multiplexer. What is multiplexer? Multiplexer is a combinational circuit that combines several inputs into one output. Where is it used? It is used in building computer. What is the function of multiplexer? Multiplexer selects one of the inputs present at its input terminals and transfers it into output. This is the block diagram of a multiplexer. Multiplexer has two input stages and one output stage. First is called 2 power n inputs and this is called control inputs. There are n control inputs and there are 2 power n data inputs. Based on the control input present at its control terminal, multiplexer selects one of the data inputs and transfers it into output stage. This is sample 4x1 multiplexer, meaning that this multiplexer accepts data from 4 devices and selects one of the devices data and transfers into output stage. There are 2 control inputs, so 2 power 2 is 4. So there are 2 control inputs, so 4 data inputs. That's why this multiplexer is called 4x1 multiplexer. Based on the control inputs present at its control terminals, this multiplexer selects various data like D0, D1, D2, D3 and transfers it into output stage Y0. Let's see how it works. Here the truth table tells the function of the 4x1 multiplexer. When you place 0, 0 as control input, let's see what happens. This line is an inverted line. So this is the regular line that carries the value 0. This is the inverted line that inverts the control input into 1. As this is AND gate, so this input gets 1 and this input gets 1. Now AND gate simply transfers whatever is present at the other input terminal into output stage D0. That is combined with OR gate and output becomes D0. Next we are going to present the control input 0, 1. So C0 is 0, C1 is 1. That means the regular line carries the 0 and 1, the inverter line carries 1 and 0. Now the first AND gate receives 0. If one of the inputs is 0, AND gate produces output 0. So this AND gate gets disabled. Let's see the second AND gate. Second AND gate receives 1, 1. So automatically the second AND gate transfers whatever is available in the other input terminal to output stage. As this is combined with OR gate, the output becomes D1. If data is 0, output will be 0. If data is 1, output will be 1. So that means the data is simply transferred to output stage. The next input combination is 1, 0. C0 is 1, C1 is 0. The regular line carries 1, the inverter line carries 0. Now the third AND gate receives 1, 1 as input. So automatically this AND gate transfers the other input terminal into output stage, that is D2. Through OR gate we get output D2. The last input combination 1, 1 is placed. So the regular lines carry 1, the inverter line carries 0. The last AND gate receives 1, 1. So automatically the last AND gate transfers the data present at the other terminal into output stage, that is D3. That will be available at the output stage. So this is how A 4x1 multiplexer selects several inputs and transfers it into output stage appropriately based on the control inputs present at its control terminals.